This is a favorite recipe of mine that I just throw together in a pinch. I'm using some leftover smoked chicken, some quinoa that's been cooked with chicken broth, some cucumbers, feta cheese, Kalamata olives, and I'm going to top it with this Primal Kitchen Greek avocado oil dressing. So at this point I have my salad right like where I want it, all my ingredients, but I do love the olive juice, so I'm going to get some of this delicious olive juice in there before I add my Greek dressing. Super delicious. You can have some in just a minute, buddy. All right, and then I have my Greek dressing here. I'm gonna shake it up real good because there's some seasoning in there. And I'm just going to add a few tablespoons. I'll let people add more as they want to taste. All right, so I'm just gonna plate this up now. Put a few nice big scoops. I don't think that it really needs more dressing personally. I think there's enough flavors going on with everything with the pickled onion. But I am a giant fan of feta cheese. So I'm just gonna add an extra little sprinkle on top. And this is one of my 5 meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Definitely follow me and hit the notification bell so that you're notified for other cooking videos as well as our podcast. Thanks for watching. Bye.